Good morning. This is the Benzinga Early Show. It is just before 5 a.m. Eastern Time on Monday, May 14th. Hope everybody had a great Mother's Day weekend. Let's get right to the futures. The S&P futures up 5.50. The Dow futures up 86. NASDAQ is up 19. Crude is down 18 cents at $70.52. Gold is up 50 cents at $13.2120. Bitcoin futures down 195 at 84.25. Coming up this morning at 7:20 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the OPEC monthly report. At 9:40 a.m., Fed's Bullard will be speaking. At 11:30, the 3-month and 6-month bill auctions. Earnings ahead of the open today from DGLY, Digital Ally, MARK Remark Holdings, MZOR Mazer Robotics shares company reported earnings already this morning. Did report an earnings beat. On very light trading now, 55.05. That's down 55 cents for Michael Zulu Oscar Romeo. After the close today, we'll be hearing from letter A, Agilent, ATY, AYTU, A2 Bioscience, CYCC, Cyclacel Pharmaceuticals, DRNA, Dicerna, EDAP, EDAP, FENG, Phoenix New Media, HTHT, China Lodging Group, KOOL, Seska Therapeutics, LIVE Live Ventures, RGSE Real Good Solar, SWCH Switch, VIPS VIP Shop Holdings reporting after the close. On Sunday, Xerox, letter XRX, X-Ray Romeo X-Ray. Xerox reported that it has terminated its transaction agreement with Fujifilm and entered into a new agreement with Carl Icahn and Darwin Deason. Company named John Vicentin to the position of CEO of the company and vice chairman. The new Xerox board will discuss strategic alternatives, and the settlement agreement resolves Darwin Deason's litigation with Xerox and its directors. Shares of Xerox trading down 8 cents in the pre-market now on very light trading at $30.09. A White House spokesperson on Sunday said that President Trump expects Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross to exercise independent judgment to resolve regulatory action involving ZTE. Disney Marvel's Avengers Infinity War continued its top spot at the box office, grossing $61.8 million in North America and $200 million in its opening weekend in China. DIS Disney closed at 102.07 on Friday, not yet trading in the pre-market. That's Delta India Sandy. One merger announced on Sunday. CADE, Cadence Bancorp, announcing a merger with State Bank Financial, STBZ. State Bank shareholders will receive 1.16 shares of Cadence Class A common stock for each share of State Bank common stock they own. That's Charlie Alpha Delta Echo and Sandy Tango Bravo Zulu. APEN, Alpha Papa Echo November, Apollo Endosurgery, announced enrollment of first patient in multi-center randomized controlled double-blind study of efficacy and safety of endoscopic sleeve gastroplasty using Apollo's overstitch endoscopic suturing system in patients with non-alcoholic steatohepatitis or NASH. That's Alpha Papa Echo November. LEA Learcorp Evercore ISI raising to an outperform from an inline, raising the price target to $220 from $180. That's Lima Echo Alpha. TRI Tango Romeo India Thomson Reuters Canaccord Genuity upgrading to a buy from a hold. Cutting the price target from $44 to $43. That's TRI Tango Romeo India. FMC Corp, Goldman Sachs upgrading to a buy from a neutral. That's Foxtrot Michael Charlie. Raising the price target from $99 to $114. That's FMC Foxtrot Michael Charlie. OII Oscar India Oceaneering International, Goldman Sachs upgrading to a buy from a neutral. And raising the price target from $22 to $29. That's Oscar India. TLRD Tango Lima Romeo Delta Taylor Brands, Jeffries upgrading to a buy from a hold. And raising the price target from $30 to $40. That's Tango Lima Romeo Delta. Symantec, Sandy Yankee, Michael Charlie, Barclays downgrading to an equal weight from an overweight, lowering the price target from $34 to $23. That's Sandy Yankee, Michael Charlie. TOT, Tango Oscar Tango, Total Energy Services, CIBC downgrading to a neutral from an outperform, lowering the price target from $18.50 Canadian to $16 Canadian. That's Tango Oscar Tango. UNIT, Uniform November India Tango Unity Group, Deutsche Bank downgrading to a hold from a buy. Raising the price target from $20 to $21. That's Uniform November India Tango. Emerge Energy Services, Goldman Sachs downgrading to a neutral from a buy. That's Echo Michael Echo Sandy. Checking some pre-market activity. KTOV, Kitov Pharmaceuticals, Kilo Tango Oscar Victor. Shares at $2.85 now in the pre-market, up 18.75%. Company announced last week a commercialization agreement in China for Consensi. That's Kilo Tango Oscar Victor, currently $2.85. HMNY, Helios and Matheson, which shares have been beaten down sharply over the past week. Shares currently rebounding a little bit here. 75 cents up 10 cents in the pre-market. Hotel Michael, November Yankee, Helios and Matheson. NXPI, November X-Ray Papa India. NXP Semiconductor shares up more than $11 now in the pre-market at $110.35. Bloomberg reporting earlier that China is said to have resumed review of Qualcomm's NXP Semiconductor deal. Again, NXPI shares, NXP Semiconductor shares at $110.39 at the pre-market high. That's up $11.38 now in the pre-market. Shares of Qualcomm, Quebec Charlie Oscar Michael at $56.40. That's up $1.17 in the pre-market from Friday's close. That's Quebec Charlie Oscar Michael. Shares of Tesla at $306.05 in the pre-market, up about 1.5%. Shares closed at $301.06 on Friday. That's Tango Sandy Lima Alpha. Checking the futures again, the S&P futures up 6. The Dow futures up 92. NASDAQ is up 21. Crude is down 12 cents at 70.88. Gold is up 40 cents at $1,321. Bitcoin futures down 200 at 8,420. Coming up this morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Time on Benzinga TV, it's the Benzinga Pre-Market Prep with Dennis and Joel. I'll be with you again tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. Eastern Time. This is Benzinga Charlie, and this has been the Benzinga Early Show.